I will know the scientific method.
Arrange each step of the scientific method in the correct order.
Test your hypothesis. State your hypothesis. Identify and control variables. Ask a question. State your conclusion. Collect, record, and interpret data. Do repeated trials. First thing we always do is ask a question. Then we state our hypothesis. Next, we're going to want to identify and control the variables. Test your hypothesis by doing an experiment. Collect, record, and interpret your data. State your conclusion, and then do repeated trials.
In order to find solutions to problems, scientists use many different ways to investigate. One important way to solve problems is to do an experiment. An experiment is the use of scientific methods to test a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess about what might happen in an investigation. There is no single scientific method for finding answers. However, it is important to perform a fair test. A fair test only changes one variable in an experiment and has a control group. A control group is a standard against which change can be measured. Scientists also use three different types of investigations to help test their hypotheses. Models are objects or ideas that represent other things. Surveys are questionnaires that are given to a number of people whose answers are recorded and then analyzed. In sampling, scientists take random individuals from a population and examine them. Got it? Sure you do.
What is it called when scientists collect data from a small group and generalize their conclusions in a larger group? Controlling, modeling, sampling, hypothesizing. When scientists collect data from a small group and then generalize their conclusions to a larger group, they are sampling. Which is true of scientific methods. To be fair, they must include the use of a model. Only some of the hypotheses have to be tested. They include a set number of steps to follow in order. They help scientists organize their investigations. They help scientists organize their investigations.